I got out these two trains. We're on the train looking for a seat. Oh, I think this will do us nicely.
Anyway, will do.
Yeah. Said you'd be too keen on this. There we go. So there we are, we're in Llangollen. Train station's there that we're coming on from the campsite. Town Falls, very popular with kayaks. Not to give it a go yet, when I'm feeling brave enough. A bit more training. Always busy here, this main road across the river. Very popular. Crossing point in mid-Wales. Pretty, isn't it? Nice river. Found this lovely shop tucked away in the back street. Marvellous sculptures in here. A blue whale. Yeah.